nagre-record. Okay. So, for the continuation, okay, what if, for example, ito, the third term of an arithmetic sequence is 8. Ito yung third term niya. And the 16th term is 47. So, given a sub 3, the third term is 8. And a sub 16 or the 16th term is 47. Now, ang hinahanap natin, common difference. Paano nga naman yung common difference? Hindi mo alam yung mga series kung ano yung minus mo, no? And then, yung a sub 1, wala rin yung a sub 1 kasi sumila ka sa third term. And then, hinahanap sa'yo yung pang 71st term. Okay? So, ganito ang gagawin nyo. Stick pa rin kayo dun sa formula. No? Ito yung formula that a sub 3. So, we have a, ilagay natin sa blackboard, no, para ma-explain mabuti. Given, the third term is 8. Yung pang 8th term is, what is it? Is it, okay, 47. Ay, 16th term pala, sorry. Pang 16th term is 47. Ba't 8 ang nilagay ko? So, pang 16th term is 47. Now, you were asked, you have to find, so this is the given. Usually, yan yung problem solving natin, ano? Alamin natin yung given, and then, alamin natin kung ano hinahanap. So, ano yung unang hinahanap natin? Siyempre, yung common difference. And the a sub 1, the first term. And then, ano yung last? Pinapahanap yung 71st term. Okay? So, ang hinahanap, yung 71st term. So, yung tatlong yan, ang hahanapin natin. Now, we have to stick to the formula. Ang formula natin, a sub 1 is equal to, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, the common difference. Paano nga naman natin mahanap? Walang a sub 1 tsaka d. No? Dito, alam natin that yung n mo is, yung n mo dito is 16 or 3. Depende yon, ano? Kung gagamitin mo itong formula na to. Ay, by the way, yung kanina, let it me clarify first kasi kanina may nagtanong, no? Dito, ma'am, I hope I can answer his question. Saan na nga ba yon? Dito kasi yung pinahanap ko yung, saan na ba yon? Pinahanap ko yung, okay, ito. Sorry So, meron nagtanong dito kanina sino ba yon? Lalaki?
Ako po.
You are? Sorry hindi ko nakikita
Chris
yung
po.
ano Ha? Chris?
Chris.
Okay, Chris. Very good yung ano mo, no, observation mo. Gusto ko yan. So, kasi ang formula natin, di ba, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Well, actually, we can derive another formula here. We can say that a sub n can also be equal to a sub 1 plus, you're going to distribute na. But take note, hindi all the time ito gagamitin nyo. Depende, no? So, multiply mo na kagad to. So, multiply mo na kagad yung common difference sa n. So, ito yung n. Alam mo naman agad yung n, diba? Tapos, i-minus mo dun sa common difference. No? Mas madali nga naman yon in case na, katulad nito, ang n mo is 100. Yung ang pinahanap ko kasi a sub 100, diba? Madali nga naman. You can use this formula if kung mas madadalian ka, like for example, a sub 100, ang a sub 1 natin dito is, wait, where is it? Ang a sub 1 natin is 3, no? Ang common difference is 5. So a sub 1 is 3, and then ang common difference is 5. So ang ginawa mo, minultiply mo na kagad yung 5 sa 100. Mas madali nga naman, 500 siya, no? And then minus mo sa 5. Mas madali, di ba? Kung 100 siya, okay, so that's going to be 3 plus 500 minus 5, alam mo na kagad that it is 495. Madaling mo nga naman mako-compute. So, in that case, you can use this formula, yung derived formula. Pero kung for example, ang hinahanap natin is A, sub 26, or the 26th term, it is much better that you use the original one. So, that's going to be 3 plus, yung n minus 1 mo, mas madali kasi kung ima-minus mo yung 26 sa 1. Saka mo siya i-multiply sa 5. Diba? Instead na, imagine niyo kung 26 times 5, tapos ma-minus mo sa 5, mas mahirapan ka. So, depende kung ano yung mas madadalian ka. Pero parehas lang yon, no? You can derive this formula from the original formula. So, depende yon kung saan ka mas madadalian makompute yung a sub n. Okay po? Nasagot ko ba yung tanong mo, Chris?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so once again, you can use this formula or the derived formula. So, depende yon. Katulad kanina, mas nadalian nga naman si Chris. Minultiply niya na lang muna sa 5, tapos sa kanya minus sa common difference. So, he uses this kind of formula. Okay po? So, going back to our discussion now. Asa na ako? Ito. Okay. So, we're going to look for a sub 71. Paano nga naman natin makukuha yung a sub 71? So, we're going to look for a sub 71. Hindi natin alam yung a sub 1, no? At yung common difference. So, alam mo that 71 minus 1, that's going to be 70. And then, the common difference. Hindi natin alam yung a sub 1 tsaka d. So, all you have to do is stick to the formula first. And using this one, a sub 3 is equal to 8. So, yung a sub 3 mo, which is equal to 8, and then use the formula, a sub 1 plus, okay, so we have n minus 1. What is your n here? 3. Diba? So, 3 minus 1. And then, multiply mo sa common difference. So, we have now 8 is equal to a sub 1 is equal to 2d. Plus 2d pala. Sorry, but equal. A sub 1 plus 2d. Okay? 2 times d. Okay? Kasi 3 minus 1 is 2 times d. So, that's 2d. So, malalaman, pwede mong gamitin, ang hahanapin muna natin a sub 1. Look, we have 2 unknown here. So, you have to reduce one unknown by using the same equation. We're going to use another equation para makuha natin isa. Let's equate this now. Kung kukunin mo yung a sub 1, ang gagawin mo, you're going to subtract, no? Ililipat mo to dito. So, hindi. Ilagay, para mas madali kayo maintindihan, ano? Andito pa rin yung a sub 1 sa kabila. We have here 8. Kailangan a sub 1 lang matira dito kasi yun yung gagamitin natin. So, we have 8 dito pa rin. Ililipat natin to ngayon. So, we have 8 minus 2d is equal to a sub 1. Okay, para meron tayong unang equation. So, we have two equations in order for us to get, ma-reduce siya into one unknown lang. So, we can, lagyan natin palatandaan, this is equation number 1. Okay? Next, may a sub 3 ka. Gamitin mo naman ngayon ni a sub 16. Given din siya. It is equal to 47. It says here, a sub 16 is equal to 47. Okay, let's stick to the formula again. It is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1. Ang n mo is 16. I-minus mo siya ngayon sa 1. multiply mo sa common difference, which is still unknown. No? So, using this, we have 47 is equal to a sub 1. So, we're dealing here with the same a sub 1 here sa una, no? So, kasi nasa sequence sila parehas. And then plus, 16 minus 1 is of course 15. And then multiply mo sa common difference. Kunin na natin ulit ngayon. Ilipat na naman ulit natin para a sub 1 lang matira dito sa kabilang equation. So, we have 47 minus 15d is equal to a sub 1. Diba? Nilipat natin to dito, kaya naging 47 minus 15 kasi positive siya dito, magiging minus siya dito. So, that's going to be your equation number 2. Lagyan natin pala tandaan, this is equation number 2. Now, since a sub 1 is equal also to a sub 1, we're pertaining to the same a sub 1. Therefore, we can say that equation number 1 would be equal to equation number 2. Okay, so gawin natin. Since we know that a sub 1, here in the first equation, a sub 1 is equal to 8 minus 2d. No? So, a sub 1 is equal to 8 minus 2d. This is equation number 1. And yung sa a sub 1 is also equal to ito, equation number 2 mo, 47 minus 15d. So, we have 47 minus 15d. Ito yung equation number 2. Now, we can say, since pareho silang a sub 1, we can say that equation number 1 is equal to equation number 2. No? So, we can say that 8 minus 2d 2d is equal to this one, for equation number 2, which is 47 minus 15d. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, d na lang yung unknown dito. No? Nawala na yung a sub 1. So, ang gagawin natin, pagsasamahin natin yung mga like terms. Ilipat natin itong merong d dito sa kabila at yung mga numbers dito sa kabila. So, kung ililipat natin yung 15d, since minus 15d siya dito, magiging positive 15d. And then, minus 2d. It is equal to, so we have 47 here, minus, ito ang ililipat natin, since positive siya, kung ililipat natin dito, magiging minus 8. No? So, 15 minus 2d is 13d. 47 minus 8 is 39. Okay, makukuha na natin yung d. Why? Since d lang hinahanap natin, ang kasama ng d is 13, so we have to divide both sides by 13. By 13. No? So, d therefore is equal to 3. So, alam mo na that d is equal to 3. So, go back to the equation here, any of this equation, para makuha mo yung a sub 1. Since you know that a sub 1 is equal to 8 minus 2d, so substitute mo lang ng d as 3. No? Pwedeng dito mo i-substitute or dito. Parehas lang ang magiging result. So, let's use the first equation, mas madali. A sub 1 is equal to 8 minus 2d. Yun nga ba yung equation number 1? 8 minus 2d. Okay. So, substitute natin ngayon that d is equal to 3 here. So, we have 8 minus 2 times 3. So, instead na d, ilagay natin 3 dahil yun yung nakuha natin dito. So, a sub 1. Makukuha mo na ngayon yung a sub 1. A sub 1, therefore, is equal to 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. So, may sagot na tayo ngayon. A sub 1 mo is 2, d is 3. Lagay na natin dito. Pinangkukuha sa atin, a sub 1, this is 2, and d is 3. Ngayon, ang pinapahanap is a sub 71. You can now use the original formula again, no? A sub 71 kukunin mo yung pang 71st term, yan ang hinahanap mo. Alam mo na that a sub 1 is 2. So, ilalagay na natin 2. And then plus, alam mo na, ng n is 71. So, 71 minus 1. And then, multiply mo sa common difference na nakuha natin, which is 3. So, 2 therefore, a sub 71 therefore is equal to a plus, this is 71 minus 1, that's 70. Multiply natin sa 3. No? So, we have 2 plus 70 times 3 is 210. So, therefore, yung pang 71st term natin, yung value ng pang 71st term natin is 212. Nagets niya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyway, kung medyo hindi nyo pa masyadong magets, actually, pwede nyo namang reviewin ulit tong video na to. Naka-record naman siya. Okay? Ngayon, gusto
Yes,
niyo ng
ma'am.
shortcut? Ma'am naman, may shortcut pala eh. Bakit pinahirapan mo pa kami? Baka ganun ang magalit kayo sa akin, ano? Gusto niyo ng shortcut pagka may ganitong klaseng problema?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May ganitong klaseng problema. Yung A, okay, ulitin natin ano, yung A sub 3 mo is 8. Baguhin natin yung blackboard. Meron ba dito? Okay, ito kasi, okay, dito. A sub 3 mo is 8. Ang A sub is 16 is equal to 47. Tama bang nilagay ko? Okay, 47. Okay. Ang shortcut ng pagkuha ng common difference, no? Paano natin ito yung gagamitin yung formula in getting the common difference kung hindi nyo alam yung a sub 1. Natural hindi mo alam yung a sub 1 eh, ang given kagad a sub 3 tsaka a sub 16. Ngayon para makuha mo yung common difference, ito yung formula na gagamitin nyo. You have d of a sub n. A sub n, okay, yung pinaka-last, ito yung pinaka-a sub n mo. And then, minus mo siya dun sa a sub k. A sub k kung saan yung pinaka-una. Dito ka nag-umpisa sa a sub 3 eh. Wala kang a sub 1. So, we can use a sub k na lang. And then, over yung n, in this case, yun yung 16, yung pinaka-latest. And then, minus mo ngayon sa k. Yung parang pinaka-n nung a sub k mo. Nung unang ginamit mo dito. So, we have k. You can use k here. Okay, substitute natin ngayon. Ang a sub n mo is 47. Ito yung magiging a sub n mo eh. Kasi ito yung pinaka-last term na nabanggit. No? Ito naman yung a sub k mo, ito yung pinakaunang nabanggit, no? And then, etong 3 mo dito, ito yung k mo. Ito yung tinatawag nating k. Yung n nung a sub k mo. At ito naman, ito yung n. No? Yun yung n ng a sub n mo dito. So, we have here, a sub n mo is 47. So, lagay mo 47. Minus mo ngayon. Yung a sub 3 mo is 8. Okay? So, minus, yung n mo is 16. Minus mo ngayon sa 3. So, we have 47 minus 8 is 39. Over 16 minus 3 is 13. And this is equal to 3. Okay? So, saan mas madali?
Shortcut.
Yung shortcut. O, ngayon, alam mo na yung D, pwede mo nang makuha ngayon yung A sub 1. No? Alam mo na ng D is 3, so kunin mo na ngayon muna yung A sub 1 kasi kakailanganin mo yon para makuha mo yung A sub 71st di ba? So, yung A sub 1 therefore, paano mo makukuha? Alam mo that A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times D. Eh, alam mo na yung D. Alam mo na rin yung A sub n. Pwede mong gamitin yung A sub 3 dito. No? Which is equal to 8. Okay, equal to a sub 1. Hinahanap natin yung a sub 1 times n minus 1. Ang n mo dito is 3. So, 3 minus 1 is 2. Ay, sorry, may plus pa pala rito. Plus n minus 1, which is 2, times, yung d mo is 3. Okay, malalaman mo na kagad ngayon. So, this is 8 is equal to a sub 1 plus 6. Okay, so since a sub 1 ang hinahanap natin, ililipat natin tong si 6 dito sa kabila para 8 minus 6, that is 2. Okay? Okay na? Malinaw na sa inyo?
Opo.
Ma'am, meron naman palang shortcut eh. Bakit pinahirapan niyo pa kami? Hindi, gusto ko lang malaman, maano ninyo, no? Umikot yung mga imagination nyo. Okay, so, ano pa ba? Meron pa bang sample problems dito? Ito, yung last na problem dito, sample. Problem solving naman to. Paano kayo magano ng problem solving? Okay? Basahin natin ano. We have, after 1 second, a rocket is 30 feet above the ground. 1 second. After 1 second daw to, a rocket is 30 feet above the ground. So, yan yung unang figure. So, we can use a sub 1 is equal to 30. After the first second daw eh. And then another second, it is 85. So, a sub 2, ito na pala eh. So, a sub 1 is, yun, 30. Yung after another seconds, we have 85. Yun yung a sub 2 mo. Then, after another second, it is already 140. Okay? Application na lang to ng arithmetic sequence, no? Para malaman ninyo yung importance ng uses ng arithmetic sequence. Baka kasi isipin nyo, ma'am, ba't ba kailangan pag-aralan yan? Saan ba yan talaga ginagamit? Maraming bagay ito ginagamit in different kinds of problem solving. So, ito yung kasama dito. Sabi dito, if it continues to rise this rate, how many feet above the ground will the rocket be after 16 seconds? So, that means you are looking for a sub 16. No? Gano'n na siya magiging kataas above the ground. So, yan yung hinahanap natin. Okay, so, first, by substituting given a sub 1 and a sub 2 in the formula, we can simplify it. No? Okay. Kukunin mo muna syempre yung common difference. All you have to do is subtract this here. So, ang common difference natin is 55. Ito. No? Mina-minus lang natin, di ba? So, the common difference is 55. Alam mo that common difference is 55, you can use now the formula. Okay. A sub 69 na hanap natin. Using the formula, a sub 1 is 30. And then d times 16 minus 1 or n minus 1. Since we are looking for the 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. That's why, yung after 16 seconds, yung taas na nung ano is 855 above the ground. Okay po? Okay? Do you have any questions so far? So, yung formula na yon, yun na yung palagi yung guide, no? Yung formula of arithmetic sequence. Always remember this one hanggang sa masana yung utak mo na ano yung formula nito. Alam mo na kagad that a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times n minus 1 times d. No? Paulit-ulit nyo lang gawin yung mga exercises, hindi nyo na makakalimutan to formula na to. Always yan yung pinaka-guide. Kaya tayo may formula is para maging guide. Now, do you think you can do this? You are going to find the specified nth term of each arithmetic sequence. Okay, dito sa number 1, tignan ko, magtatawag ako ha. We are looking for the 9th term. Okay? We're looking for the 9th term. Ano yung magiging sagot? Tatawag lang ako. Tatawag ako sa inyo, pero yung iba, pwede kayong magsagot, no? Pwede kayong magsagot para, and then i-send nyo sa akin. No? So, ang tatawagin ko, kanina ba sino yung last? Babae o lalaki?
Lalaki po, ma'am.
Okay. Uy, nagano kagad eh, no? Kala mo, tatawagin ko kagad lalaki, no? Si Daniel Joyce. Daniel Joyce, can you please do number 1? And then, para hindi maaksaya yung oras, sa number 2, assign natin si Johaili. Johaili, andyan ka pa? Johaili? Sandali, baka wala na yung mga kausap ko ha. Daniel Joyce, andyan ka? Daniel Joyce? O sige, bigyan ko muna kayo ng sample. Ma'am naman pinahirapan nyo kagad kami. Parang ganyan. So, pag sinabi natin we're looking for the ninth term, we're looking for a sub 9. No? And therefore, yung n mo dito is equal to 9. And using the formula, it is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Ano yung common difference nila? Minus mo ngayon. 5 minus 2, that's 3. So, alam mo that your D is equal to 3. No? Substitute mo ngayon. Ang a sub 1 mo is 2. So, yung a sub 9 mo, so yung 9th term, therefore, is equal to, yung a sub 1 mo is 2, plus, yung n mo is 9. So, we have 9 minus 1. No? So, we have 9 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. Kasi nga, 5 minus 2 is 3. No? So, we have here 3. Ngayon, malalaman mo na a sub 9. This is 2 plus 9 minus 1 is 8 times 3. Okay? So, therefore, yung a sub 9 natin is equal to 2 plus 8 times 3 is 24. So, 24 plus 2, that's 26. So, yung sagot dito is 26. Catch nyo na? Do you think you can do it on your own? Class? Do you think you can do this on your own?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, magtatawag na ako ha. Babae muna and then, hindi na sumagot si ano. Andyan pa ba siya? Daniel Joyce. Daniel Joyce? Walang sumagot. Si Asnya na lang. Asnya, would you like to try number 2? Asnya, andyan ka pa?
Yes po. Try ko po, ma'am.
Okay. Kung doubtful ka sa sagot mo, you can ask assistance from your leader. Magtanong ka sa leader mo. Pwede kayong mag-chat. Okay?
Yes po.
And then, para hindi masayang yung oras natin, dahil malapit na yung oras natin, number 3. Wag na lang yung number 3. Number 4. Number 4, sa lalaki naman ako magtatawag. Si June Lozano. June, nandiyan ka pa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 4, June, ang papasagot ko sa'yo.
Sige po.
No? Number 4 kay June. And then number 2 kay Asnya. If you are doubtful of your answer, you can ask first your leader kung tama ba yung sagot nyo. Okay? Actually, sasagutan ka pa pala muna yan. Hindi ko pa nasasagutan. Number 2. Okay. Uy, may mga sumagot na. May sagot na si Mark. Very good, Maricar. O, see? Nagsasagot naman na yung iba. Okay, may sagot na si June. Very good, June. Okay, so may si Oops, wait. Ask niya, alam mo kung saan ka nagkamali? Yung n-1 mo. Ano yung n-1 mo? Ulitin mo. Yeah, review your
Sorry po.
answer. Pero tama yung ano mo, yung
Sorry po, sorry po.
oh, tama yung procedure mo. Uy, ang galing ni ano ni Xander. Ginamit niya yung blackboard ko. Yung very good, Xander. You have the right answer. Jasmine. Okay, si Jasmine naman ang sinagutan niya yung pang boys. Yung pang girls ang sagutan mo. Girl power eh, 'di ba? Pero tama yung sagot mo, Jasmine. Very good. Okay, very good, Hazel. Yesha, very good. Okay, alam na nila. Wow. Okay na ako. Kontento na ako doon. So, Jessie, very good. Nawalan ng internet si Ivana. Okay lang 'yan. Meron naman tayong video para papanood nyo pa rin after that. Ito naman si Adana, number 5 na yung sinasagutan. Ito pala sinasagutan natin, 2 and 4 pa lang, no? Anyway, so, ang sagot dito is 41 at ang sagot dito is 53. Very good naman sila. No, if you have some more question, andyan naman yung mga leader nyo. Willing naman silang tumulong sa inyo. No? And leaders, i-ano ko pa rin kayo dito. I-double check ko pa rin kayo dito kung meron kayong mga concerns. Okay? Meron kasi kaming meeting mamaya ng mga teachers. So, medyo, I have to shorten this one. Dito doon pa rin sa sinend ko sa inyong instructional support material, meron dito, di ba pinasagutan ko 6 and 7. Ito naman, merong mga problem solving. So, hindi ko muna pasasagutan to, no? Kasi meron akong papagawa dito sa per group, no? Mag-a-assign ako ng problem solving dito, and then yung mga group na yun, yung, like for example, group number 1, you can answer number 1 and 6 and something like that. So, kami na mag-uusap ng mga leaders nyo dito. And then, iprepresent nyo sa akin kung paano ninyo sinolve. Next meeting. Now, etong sagutan ninyo. Page 9, letter B. Okay, page 9, letter B. Page 9, letter B. Okay? Page 9 ng instructional support material ninyo. And letter pala. Sorry, letter B. Okay. So far, do you have any more question? Na-happy naman ako, nakakasagot ng iba,
ipapasa
no?
namin yan.
Yes. Ipapas ninyo, kuhanan lang ninyo ng picture. At the same time na kaya ko naman siyang i-check through internet pa rin. And then kung ano man yung binigay ko sa inyong score, ilagay lang ninyo sa papel ninyo, isulat ninyo sa papel ninyo. Don't worry, i-record ko na 'yan. And then i-compile niyo lahat ng mga pinapasagutan ko, isasubmit niyo sa akin at the end of the quarter. No? Parang pinaka-portfolio niyo 'yan.
Yung mga papel po.
Yes, yung mga sinasagutan niyo. Naalala niyo may sinagutan kayo?
Okay po.
Di ba, chinekan ko yon? Ilagay ninyo yung score, and then, yun yung i-compile ninyo. Don't worry, naka-record na yon. Hindi nyo pwede ibahin yung score doon, ha? Okay?
Okay po.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, any more question?
Ma'am, yan na po yung magsaserve as sagot namin sa module. Nung
Ah, hindi ako
lahatan.
nagpapasagot sa module nyo. Ang sasagutan ninyo, kung ano yung pinapasagutan ko, yun yung isasubmit nyo. Kung mapapansin ninyo yung sa module nyo, may answer keys na kasi yan. That's why I'm not using that one. But instead, I'm using that one as examples para sa inyo. Para ma-demonstrate nyo. Di ba sinasagutan nyo na kanina? Sa module nyo na yun eh. Although actually meron ng answer keys yon sa pinaka last part ng inyong module. Ngayon kaya yun ang pinapasagutan ko sa yung tinatawag ko kayo isa-isa, yun yung sa module nyo eh. Ibig sabihin nun, kaya nyo. Nasagutan nyo eh. So since kaya nyo, gusto kong makita yung totoong kayo, kung talagang kaya nyo gawin. That's why I'm using another worksheet na wala dun sa module nyo. Dun ko talaga ma-assess kung talagang naintindihan nyo o hindi. At kung hindi nyo man maintindihan, andyan yung mga team leaders nyo, they would be gladly to help you. Basta makipag-cooperate lang kayo sa kanya. Walang iwanan sa grade dito. Dapat lahat kayo matataas ang grade, lalo na mga pilot section kayo. Ayokong may makitang line of 7 sa inyo dahil pilot section kayo. Please lang. No? That's why I'm creating group leaders. Don't worry, mababait sila at magagaling sila. Ang importante kasi, close kayo sa kanila. Madali nyo i-approach. Basta makipag-cooperate lang kayong mabuti sa leaders niyo, hindi kayo maliligaw. Okay ba?
Yes po.
Okay, and then group leaders, we're going
Yes,
to have a
ma'am.
meeting about
Ma'am.
this lecture, no? Pero depende yon sa free time ninyo.
Okay po,
no?
ma'am.
First
Okay.
quarter, ay ito na po yung lot sa first quarter, ma'am.
No, marami pa tayong hanggang November 12 pa ang first quarter, iho. Last na module. Pero meron pang susunod na module na ibibigay sa inyo. Hanggang 6 yan eh. Okay, did I answer you right? Naintindihan mo yung ibig ko sabihin? Akala
Yes,
mo
ma'am.
siguro porque module number 3 last na yon. No. Meron pang kasunod na module yan. Don't worry, may madadagdag pang module sa inyo. Okay po? So, hindi pa tayo tapos actually sa module number 3. Meron pa tayong pag-uusapan about arithmetic mean. No, tsaka yung mga extreme means na sinasabi natin. So, do you have any more question? No more? Now, can you please open your camera? Kuhanan ko lang kayo ng picture. Papakita ko sa advisor nyo na masaya kayong kausap ako. I just want to see that you are smiling in front of your camera. Paki-open and then kukuhanan ko kayo ng picture. Thank you, Precious. Okay, thank you, Piol. Thank you, Eric. Yung iba, please paki-open para makuha na kayong picture and then smile ha. Pagka sinabi kong 1, 2, 3, doon kayo mag-smile. No,
Kung
huwag muna
paano
kayo
po pag wala po ka?
Pag walang?
Wala pong camp. Kasi po lumipat po kanina from
Okay. So, pwede ka naman bumalik ulit dun sa phone mo, Iha, para magkaroon ng cam.
Kung
Come on.
naka-data lang po. Wait lang
Ganun ba? O, sige, sige. Uy, may mga kasama ka pa. Okay. Can you please open now your camera? Okay. Kaislyn, RJ, Lawrence, Rosel, Jan Matthew, Catherine. Lawrence, thank you. Catherine, Ivana, CJ, Andre, June Lozano, Asnya, Joros, Jessica, Catherine Joy. Can you please open your camera now? June, kayo na lang ang hinihintay. Nakapag-open na sila. RJ, thank you very much, RJ. How about you, Maricar Barot? Can you please open your camera? June, hinihintayin namin kayo para nangangawit na yung mga panganilang kakangiti. Xander, Maricar, Steven?
Wala pong built-in cam
Wala
tong
pa?
laptop
Okay,
po.
look. Sa count to 3, smile kayo para makita para maramdaman ko naman na happy kayo na ako yung teacher, okay? Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, thank you very much. So that's it. Maiwan ko na muna kayo kasi may meeting kami. Meron kaming election ng mga... Ay, nawala. Ayun. Wait ha. Anong date na ba ngayon? September 23.
23 po.
Oo. September 23. 10, Sandra. Okay. Ifo-forward ko tong picture nyo sa inyong advisor. Okay? So that's it. Thank you very much for your time. And sana nakatulong ako sa inyo. Okay po? Bye-bye!
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye!
Thank you,
Thank you,
Ingat
ma'am.
palagi.
Thank you po.
Ingat palagi, no? Bye!